Susan, it's so good to have you back on the show. And so we're talking about something really I find very interesting. We talked a little bit beforehand. And so let's get into the first question. So Florida's new law, HB 915, took effect on July 1st. And of course, this adds strong requirements around how notaries and immigration service providers advertise, especially if they are not licensed attorneys. So let's break that down. Explain, you know, what the law aims to do and how it protects immigrants from, and this is a word I just learned, notario.
Yes, notario. So thanks again for having me here. Definitely. So notario can be identified, especially in Latin American countries, as somebody who is a legal professional, even those that have a law degree. But in the United States, a notary, especially in Florida, the requirements are only that you are over the age of 18, that you have legal, that you are a U.S. citizen, and that you pass a background check. So the requirements are really different. But that term can be misunderstood here in the U.S. And you do have immigrants that go to notarios, notaries in the U.S. expecting that they are legal professionals. But in fact, they're not. They are a notary. So they find themselves getting legal advice from non-legal professionals.
It's almost like they're lost in translation.
Yes.
Lost in translation. And so let's dig in a little bit deeper. What are some of the experiences you've seen your clients have?
So we've seen a lot of unfortunate experiences, and this law aims to protect those people who find themselves in situations where they're being taken advantage of by notarios, which is people who are filling out fake applications for benefits that the people don't qualify for.
Wow. Okay.
And then the person gets charged with a misrepresentation or a fraud bar, and it can affect their entire immigration journey in the United States and provide severe consequences for them in the future. So this law aims to crack down on notarios, especially those providing legal advice when they are not authorized to do so.
It's so interesting.
Yeah.
And it's such a, it's kind of anxiety provoking just for me, just like how someone can think that they're getting legal advice from the right person.
Right.
In reality, it's not that way.
No, it's not that way at all. And, you know, the people who go to them trust them because in their mind, they have the same identification as people from their own country. So they think that they're qualified to do this. But in reality, the notario will either create a fake situation, fake story, fake people, and really take advantage of the foreign national, and then they sign the application. But at the end, there's no accountability, there's no liability to the notario, and it ends up becoming an unfortunate situation for the applicant.
We got to get help. We got to get the right attorneys, the right legal professionals to help us. So where can we find you guys?
Definitely, thank you. We can find me at our website, www.us-ilc.com. You can call us at 954-589-1180. We are open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., 7 days a week. You can also find us on social media at immigration_attorney_SAM and on Instagram, and immigration_attorney_SAM on TikTok.
Perfect. I love the TikTok. Susan, thank you so much.
Thank you.